In 2020, the People's Liberation Army Air Force of China launched trials of the new pilot training mode at the Shijiazhuang Flight Academy, where the J-10 fighter aircraft was first introduced as a trainer aircraft. According to the previous training mode, a student pilot had to go through 4 to 6 years of flight training before being qualified to fly a third-generation fighter. Now, pilot students trained in accordance with this new mode can obtain the combatant qualification for third-generation warplanes after only 3 years of flight training. These students were randomly selected from the pilot students of PLA Air Force Aviation University. The new training mode emphasizes increasing the air combat capability of these pilot students. During the training period, pilot students practiced with PLA Army air defense units, and the proportion of tactical training items such as multiplane air combat and live shooting operations also increased. All these efforts have helped accelerate the transformation from cadets to qualified fighters capable of performing combat missions on third-generation aircraft after graduation. The Chengdu J-10 Vigorous Dragon is a medium-weight, single-engine, multi-purpose fighter aircraft. Manufactured by Chengdu Aircraft Corporation, CAC, for the People's Liberation Army Air Force of China, Pakistan Air Force, PAF, and the Chinese People's Liberation Army Naval Air Force, PLAAF. The J-10 is primarily designed for air-to-air combat, but is also capable of performing offensive missions. The J-10 uses a multimode fire control radar designed in China. This radar has a mechanically scanning planar array antenna and is capable of tracking 10 targets simultaneously. 2 of the 10 tracked targets can be targeted simultaneously with semi-active radar-guided missiles or 4 of these targets with active radar-guided missiles.